Hey guys, Mark Pyers, home-based business tax coach and wealth coach, the CEO and founder of the Academy of Financial Education, and as always, on behalf of myself as well as my beautiful wife and business partner, Mrs. Levita Pyers. Guys, we are excited to be able to help the masses move themselves from the wrong side of money and the wrong side of the tax code. And so in this quick video today, this is for my entrepreneurs and for those individuals that have a W-2 wage earning job that do not have a home-based business. The purpose of this video is to demonstrate to you why it is imperative that you get tax informed. So what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to take a single individual and we're going to show what the results are for someone that do not have a home-based business. First, we're going to say that this is a single individual, and we're going to say that they live in a great state of California, and we're going to say that their income is $100,000 a year. So I'm going to go ahead and get the results. Okay, so you can see that their total tax liability, this is the money that is extracted from their paycheck, of $28,722.73, or a percentage or tax bracket of 28.72%. Now let me break this down because there's only two portions of this that an employee can get back, and that is the state taxes, which is $6,063.73, and the federal taxes, which is a total of $15,009. The rest of those taxes are Social Security and Medicare taxes, which an employee cannot get back, okay? So now I want to go back and I want to talk to my business owners again to express to you how imperative it is that you get tax informed. And so I'm simply going to switch the category from a W-2 wage earner to a business owner, and we're going to go back over and now we're going to get the results. And here is what most business owners don't understand. Okay, now you can see that the business owner now has a higher tax liability of $36,372.73. It says right here, the changes you just made cause your tax bill to go up by $7,650 from $28,722.73 to, again, $36,372.73. And some of you may be saying, wow, well, why would I ever want to be a business owner? Here's why. Ladies and gentlemen, you have the ability to zero out not just the federal, not just the state. You have the ability to zero out the entire $36,372.73. Let me break that down, okay? You can zero out your federal of $15,009. You can zero out your $6,063.73. You can zero out 100% of your Social Security tax and as well as your Medicare taxes. An employee has no ability to zero out the Social Security tax and the Medicare tax. And so you may be wondering, well, how do I do that? You must get tax informed. And for those employees that would like the ability to do the same, you must have a business. So before I wrap this up, I want to make sure that you fully understand the power of having a home-based business when you're tax informed, while the wealthy operate businesses and they do not look for a job. Why, as an employee, the more you make, the more they take, and the less that you can get back. Guys, I'm telling you what you do not know about the right side of money is financially robbing you blind. And so let me give you an example. Our average clients save about $45 a day in legal, ethical tax deductions that an employee cannot get. And so $45 a day times 365 days a year is a total of $16,425 non-taxable out of their income. And so let me give you an example of how this works, okay? And so again, as an entrepreneur earning $100,000 a year, if you generated $45 a day, again, which really is a minimum, guys, if you are really operating your business with full knowledge, you're going to be somewhere around where my wife and I are, which is about $65 to $70 a day in tax savings on things that we already spend our money on, okay? And so $100,000 minus the tax deduction of $16,425 means that my taxable income now would be $83,575. So let's go ahead and make that adjustment. So I'm going to go up here, and we're going to go back over to our income. And now our taxable income again is $85,575. Let's go ahead and get the results. And folks, as you can see, now you currently owe $29,629.18, which is far less than the employee. You reduce your taxes by $6,743.55. But not only did you do that, you also slashed your Social Security and your Medicare taxes, which an employee cannot do. Okay, one more example. If you are a married couple, I want you guys to see what the difference is. So a married couple filing jointly, making that same income, just that one change could make the difference of thousands of dollars in your pocket. Currently right now, if you were a married couple, your taxes would still be $22,441, which is extremely too much, but you also have reduced the amount of taxes you were losing by $7,387.76. That is an enormous amount of money that families could keep in their pocket if they only learned the hidden secret of the wealthy, and that is operating on the right side of the money system and the tax code. And so if you would like to learn that information, again, I'm going to put the link to our website and how you can inbox us to get more information. But again, this is only for a short period of time. And so as I often say, the more you know, the less you owe in taxes. In closing, if you are an entrepreneur and you are not fully tax informed, you need to get in touch with us. If you are someone that does not have a home-based business and you're losing hundreds or even thousands of dollars in income taxes, the only reason you're losing the money is because you do not have a business or another source where you can generate legal tax deductions without spending additional money. And with that being said, guys, Mark Pyers, home-based business tax coach and wealth coach, CEO and founder, along with my beautiful wife and business partner, Mrs. Levita Pyers. As I often say, we won't see you at the top, we'll see you on the informed side.